about the people and place of Aotearoa New Zealand. What brought us together, the challenges that we face, and how we will weave our cultures and values into a future that we will be proud of to leave to the next generation.
As they led our waka in yesterday with their waka, and as they brought us into their whare today, following the protocols and the kawa have been set down over the years. We're here today celebrating the idea of Tuia, commemorating things that happened in Aotearoa not just 250 years ago, but 1,000 years ago. We're here to talk about those kinds of things and to make sure people don't leave those things unsaid ever again. To change the things that we talk about as Māori and take them away from a realm of fairy tales and stories to entertain children, but to be shared by everybody in Aotearoa so they understand that this place is made up of many, many people.
Tuia has been a great experience, and one of the most, or the best parts of the experience was the making the friendships and the joining hands with those in the other ships, with the walkers. We've had quite a few of their people sail on board the Endeavour, and we've had one or two of ours sail back with them. And just learning their ways of navigation, how they did it, how they do it. And it obviously works. So you look at the whawhaiti, she sailed all the way from Tahiti using traditional navigation methods and got down here, found New Zealand, and did a great job.